everyone, so today we're going to make an Italian staple here at our house. It is called Bocconcini salad and it's very simple to make. You just need fresh cherry tomatoes. I like the ones that have, you know, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of orange, some red in there. And I have two different slices just to spice it up. And we have the bocconcini. I've already emptied it and rinsed it. We have fresh basil and virgin oil and salt at the end. So pretty much all you do is you slice the tomatoes in half and off you go. Good amount of tomatoes. You can see we have a good amount. Then we start with the little bocconcini balls. So again, these are pearls. You can get bigger ones, but the pearls, the good thing about it is that you just have to cut them in half. And then I have my loyal helper, Gatsby, here with me, and sometimes she expects a little treat for her help. You've seen Gatsby, right? And then once we're done with the cutting up the bocconcini, what we're gonna do is we're going to get some fresh basil. So what I do is I just cut it. And oh, it smells delicious actually. And once I've cut it, I just rinse it. And then I just, with your fingers, so that the scent of the basil, the aroma of the basil fills the room, you just kind of rip it apart. And to top it off, what we're going to do is add some olive oil and some salt. We're gonna mix it. I think we need some more bocconcini, so we'll add some more bocconcini and maybe some more tomatoes.